I just finished doing a little meal prep for today and tomorrow. I just boiled some of these mini potatoes that I had. Didn't want those to go off, so that'll be a nice little side. Got some steak here with some brown rice, and then I sauteed some asparagus. So those are the same, and then I have some leftover sirloin steak here as well, which I'll probably have after the gym today. I have got to get my butt to the gym. It's been a crazy weekend of just having way too much fun in the summer sun. So I'm gonna link my little meal prep containers for you guys in the down bar because they're glass and I really love these. I think they're by far my favorite and it's like the perfect little size. So I'm gonna clean up the rest of the kitchen and the mess that I've made and then get ready for my workouts. Don't mind the mess. I gotta clean up today after my workout. I just really wanted to go to the gym before it was a little busy. So I'm wearing this Nike little top, little tank top. It is supposed to be burning hot outside, so I just like to wear this when I'm doing mat workouts and everything like that. Underneath it is my Fabletics little coral cropped bra. Love this. I do recommend sizing down. I feel like it's a little bit loose, so love that. Anyways, leggings are also Fabletics. They have this cute little see-through stripe going all the way down the leg, and I know the black socks are not a vibe, but these are the new Nike Free Run.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
I'm about to do my abs now. I just finished doing chest, arms, and back, so we got another like 20 minutes of abs. Let's get it. Well, I decided instead of going upstairs, I'd just sit by the pool and get some vitamin D while I called my mom, but now I'm thinking I should go get my laptop and edit underneath an umbrella for the next few hours. It's so nice outside, so I'm gonna go do that and get some sunscreen because I did not put any on. But it's so nice. Take advantage of the sunshine.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
It's like, did you even come to the Grove if you didn't get a little B-roll? Anyways, guys, I need to go to the Nike store.
Three, 2, 1, let's go.
Alright fam, I just ran to Crest. I decided I'm gonna do a one-day juice fast. So I got 6 juices for $25. A steal. I don't know if I should give you guys a little juice haul now or show you the juices as I drink them. I just got 6 because it was a really good deal. You could do 3 for $15 or 6 for $25. So I figured this will be good. I usually go to Whole Foods anyways after my workouts to get a green juice. So at least this way I will have a variety, and when I get my 24-ounce juices at Whole Foods, it's like, I don't know, $11 I think it is. So I just ended up getting a couple different options. Super excited. You guys know I love Pressed Juicery. It was like one of my favorite places to go when I didn't even live in LA. So I ended up getting a greens 3. You guys can pause it if you want to know more about the ingredients, but I love juicing because it's simple, it's whole foods, your body recognizes it, it's light on your digestion, and if you've been eating really badly, maybe you had way too much alcohol over the weekend or too many cheat meals, or you just feel kind of bloated and heavy and you want to eat lighter with more nutrients, then juices are a great way to do that. I got a citrus juice as well just to break up all of the greens, and I'm going to be using these kind of as my snacks and the first thing that I will have to break my fast, because I do intermittent fasting, so I don't have my first meal until 1 in the afternoon. I got a couple of the almond milks because I love their almond milks. It legit tastes like a milkshake. So I got the vanilla almond, simple ingredients, and I love the chocolate because it has cacao in it. Oh, and then the sea salt, it kind of breaks up the sweetness. And then the last one I got was another green. I also love juices too because I always notice that my skin is super clear when I have my green juices on a regular basis, which makes sense. My body is able to absorb the nutrients super easily and really just soak up all the goodness that God put on this earth for us. So I'm not going to be having these and just only these because you guys know I meal prepped. So like I said, snacks and lunch, and then I'll have one meal at the end of the night. I just felt kind of heavy and wanted to do something a little bit easier and lighter on my system. So go to Pressed if you guys are ever in LA. I wanted to have one of these on the way home, but I had to resist the urge. I haven't had dinner yet, so I wanted to have that, but I'll have these tomorrow. I don't know about you guys, but my fridge makes me so happy when I open it up. Okay, disregard the beer. That's for the pool session, so we get wild and crazy, but I have all my sparkling waters, which I need to re-up on that. Let me just show you my favorite section. Look, we have a whole shelf dedicated to produce. So when you open up the fridge, what do you see? You see fruit, things that you need to be snacking on and munching on. I had blueberries today. Gave a few to Lily. He loves blueberries. He loves bananas. So whenever he sees this, he's like running to my legs. Aren't you, Lily? You want blueberry? Come get blueberry. He just smiled at me. I will give you one in 2.5 seconds. So we got the baby watermelon, some dates, berries, mangoes, grapes. Bring it on down. We got the meal prep shelf. Like, how beautiful does this look? Got your glass meal prep containers, which I'm gonna have one of these for dinner tonight, which I cooked today. Super healthy. Love that this is already ready for me after my workout and after running errands. I also keep eggs over there, just like simple whole protein. And then bring it on down, we've got the greens. So again, when I open the fridge and I see salad, I see spinach, I'm like, okay, gotta add some spinach to our smoothies, or gonna make a salad for lunch instead of Postmating something super naughty. You bring it on over to the door. We have all of our snacks. We got the juices that we just got. We have our dairy-free yogurts. We got our nut butter. We have my grandma's homemade jelly straight from her garden that she makes herself. A little piece of home, love that. And then I have all of my veggies in here as well. I'm trying not to buy so much produce. That way I don't waste it and it doesn't go bad. And then I just keep some apples, which apples last, I swear, 3 months. 3 months. Best snack you can ever have. So those are like my favorite ways to organize my fridge. And then this is like the dairy-free section. So we have the coffee creamer, the almond milk, and then we got the vegan butter. Up here is where I actually keep all my skincare. Isn't that crazy? I love that this is supposed to be for butter or eggs, I don't know, but I just keep my beauty stuff in here, like my jade roller. I keep my Evian in here. I keep my Glow Recipe watermelon mist. As you can see, we love this. I use it literally 5 times a day. I'll link this below. Actually, I'll link all this stuff if I can find it. And then I have an eye mask to help depuff. So now you guys know what my fridge looks like. Now my freezer, on the other hand, you guys don't even want to see what that looks like. I'm gonna heat this up and find a little show to watch. Oh my gosh, this is why I love meal prep. Instant deliciousness. So I just added some baby tomatoes for a little pop of juiciness to my asparagus and brown rice. So I'm gonna have this for dinner. Of course, I'm gonna have it with water. I don't think I've had enough water this past week because the weekend was wild, if you saw that last vlog. So I'm just really focusing on being healthier, eating more simple meals, and getting in my juices. Say hi guys, I just got a bath. Shit, I'm so fresh, I'm so clean. You are so frizzy? It's like, what's going on with the back of your head? He said, all right, I'm done. That's enough. Come here. Do you want to show the dolls your new bath?
Isn't over too fast. Well, then chill your Reese's.
Baby! Come here. He's like, nope. Ooh, it has been a crazy day. I have the biggest chocolate craving right now, so I'm gonna have my pressed juice. This is actually the chocolate almond, which has almonds, dates, cacao, and sea salt. So I had my citrus juice today after the gym when I went to go run some errands, and it was really good. It had like pineapple, apple, and lemon and mint in it, so super refreshing, but I have got to kick this chocolate craving, all right? So I'm gonna have this, and then I'm probably gonna have a green juice, I think, after it, because I want to do 3 juices today, have 3 juices tomorrow. So that's just how we're gonna do it. One of my favorite ways to just keep motivated is just have healthy options on hand of things that you can eat, things that make you excited. So I'm on my next green juice right now. This is a Greens 3. Sorry for the TV in the background. And I'm just making a little snack just to go with it. I'm feeling like I want some carbs, something savory. So I'm gonna do my favorite go-to treat, which is almond butter toast. Also, just listen to your body, you know? Your body can tell you more than what you think. So I think that's my biggest thing too. Listen to your body. She's a little burnt, but we love a good almond butter toast. This right here looks so simple, but oh my gosh, does it taste amazing, especially with a nice hydrating green juice on the side. I'm about to get back to work.